This morning, Claude looked at my HRV, my sleep, my recovery score, and rewrote today's workout. No trainer, no app, and no subscription. By the way, my mother is 4-time Olympian and also athletics coach in Lithuania for 20 years, and I also played professional basketball in Europe. So I grew up around lots of elite coaching and elite athletes, and what Claude is doing right now on my phone is genuinely better than 90% of online coaches selling programs today. So let me show you how it all works and also some of the issues with the training we have right now. So first of all, they write your plan once a week and your body changes daily. 2, they don't see your recovery data. You do on your phone. 3, they charge hundreds of dollars for a simple Google Doc. And 4th, they have 50 or 100 clients and you are just a number. But what if your coach lived on your phone, read your body every morning and rewrite the day's plan based on what your data is actually saying? This is exactly what I built, and this build takes around 10 minutes. I will show you how it all works. So first of all, you can see on my phone screen, because this will work only on the phone right now. You can see it is on the read mode. If you click on it, you can read always, ask each time, or never. So for this use case, of course, we need to have it always, because you don't want to be clicking through settings each time you want to ask Claude something about your fitness. And also Claude has to track your progress, your sleep patterns, and also your recovery. So now it can read my sleep data, my HRV, my heart rate, my workouts, and all the different things Apple Health provides. Now we'll show you 3 different prompts and 3 different things how you can actually start using it today. So first of all, let's start from a really simple one. Let's paste in the prompt I prepared. Let's paste it. Read my recovery data from last night and write today's workout. Really simple prompt. Let's run it. And Claude will check your sleep score, your HRV, your resting heart rate, and depending on your data, it will decide what is the best plan for today. So let's see what we have. So data is in. HRV last night was 50. By the way, guys, don't judge me on my data. I'm not in the best shape right now. So sleep 6 hours 50. I would say not bad. We have our recovery readout. So basically how we recovered, and also ideas for today's session. By the way, these are not random exercises like with ChatGPT or just Claude when you ask it like randomly. I will show you how to create a personalized AI coach depending on your age, condition, and all the other aspects. So now let's move to second example. So let's create new chat. Let's paste in the prompt. So I ran 7 kilometers yesterday, pulled the data from a workout, pace, heart rate zones, recovery, impact. How was the session? So let's run it. By the way, I'm preparing to run 21K and I have like 1 week to prepare. So I'm actually trying to use Claude to optimize these last days to get the best results. So if you're using for the first time, you're gonna see this window. So you just have to allow Claude to use health data. So turn on, allow. And let's see what it thinks about my amazing run yesterday. I was actually kind of dying yesterday running 7K and I have to run 21 in like a week. Yeah, subscribe for my run. So we have our data, and actually it even shows it visually, which is really impressive. So you have our HRV trend, we have our heart rate, we have the numbers, the distance is 7K, the time, pace. Also, it tells us how can we improve, how can we recover after our exercises. Also, you can see the duration, the workouts, so all the information is right here. And I think without wasting anybody's time, let's jump into third demo and I will show you how to actually set it up. So the third demo, look at my sleep data from the past 2 weeks. What patterns do you see and what's hurting my recovery and what should I change? This is really important because, of course, sleeping is a big part of recovery and feeling good. And after that, I will show you how to create your project, how to create your personalized instructions, and yeah, that's the whole video. And the data is here. We have information about our HRV and also resting heart rate from the past 2 weeks. And we have the patterns, again, how to make it better, what's hurting us, all the really important info. I don't want to bore you with my health. Now let's talk about how to actually set it up. So first of all, you have to open your phone and go to settings. There you're going to find a button called permissions. Click on it. And again, just allow health and also allow calendars, because I'll explain you how to even make it better. Once you have it on read only and always, we go back to projects, select projects, select a plus, and we have to create our new project. So I call this project AI Coach. Once you have it, you have to add custom instructions. And this is the important part because this will determine what kind of coaching do we want to get and who you actually are. So basically, if you click on it, I don't know why it's a small window, because as you can see, there's way more space, but we have the small window. So first of all, we have to set a role for Claude. So you're my personal coach and train me like Nazza, which is my mother. And I actually posted some of her exercises. Next up, you have to set the primary goal. So for me, it's longevity and general health. Next up, you have to input what kind of athlete you are. So maybe you're just a beginner, maybe you're preparing for a marathon, maybe you just want to be muscular. So just input your fitness level, and also you can put in what kind of equipment do you have. Can you go to gym? Do you have local gym? Maybe you have gym in your home, which is pretty good for you. What kind of coaching principles do you want? So yeah, lots of information. And actually I built a prompt builder for you for free. You fill your goals, your training history, your equipment, and it generates your custom coaching system prompt. You can find it for free, link in description. So guys, now first exercise, take your mouse and click subscribe, and see you next time.